I am back! Hello everyone and welcome to my 7th episode of Game Developer Blog. My god, that was quite a void that I felt into. Working from home, biggest blessings and curses at the same time is lack of boss breathing down your neck and whipping you whenever you're getting distracted. On one hand, it makes a lot less stressful environment. On other, everything becomes distraction and your biggest enemy. Another problem is falling out of rhythm. Basically, if you take one day off, then another is kinda lazy too. You get the idea. Suddenly you wake up and the whole week has passed and you haven't done a jack. Yeah, void. Well, my advice will be never stop working. Even if it's just one small thing during a day, do that one small thing. Just do anything that helps you keep your mind on track. Now coming back to actual game development. I sat down again and looked at my attack system. I didn't like it at all. It was dull, boring and repetitive. I started up a new one, much more alike to typical beaten up games. In short, 2-button system, combos and so on. As you can see, I have basic throw enemy into air 2-button combo and mid-range blast wave attack. I'm thinking also about some mass knock-up and air dash to enemy, if I figure out how to make character fly automatically to nearest enemy. If you have any other ideas for combos, post them in comments. My current problem, however, is how to let animation finish. Othello has callback on animation finish function, but it seems to refer any animation, not a particular one, so I don't think it's of any use for me. I think I will just set up a timer and freeze it all updates for duration of animation. Should work and also help me detect input for combos. I also redesigned a character, scrapping previous one. I made it less chibi, which should fit more with new art style. I also gave him huge gloves to make his hands more visible. My only concern is amount of animations that there are going to be, which can increase development time substantially. Basically, I'm falling in the average junior game dev, just one more feature trap. However, I'm fine with that. I'm developing this project only for my own fulfillment. If it's going to take 2 years because it's loaded with animation and art assets, then it's gonna take 2 years. Well, that's all for today. It all looks good, so I guess I should just keep going and be awesome. See you next Friday.